is part of the Central Highlands of Queensland. We are 20 kilometers away from Emerald. We have been through so many towns and visited so many schools, hospitals, shopping centers, community centers in so many different places. And I have been humbled with the reception of the community and how they are overjoyed and excited to see the kookaburra, and their support and encouragement is very much appreciated and valued, and that shows me the path for future projects, because this thing has very well connected with people. This kookaburra, this idea of the art on move, going to people, going to schools, has very well connected with people, and I feel that I'm compelled to do more. Right now we are heading for Emerald, and we have got 2 days ahead of us in Emerald to visit quite a few places and people, and going around the town, and I'm very excited to spend those 2 days in Emerald and say hello to my fellow Australians of Central Queensland, Highlands, and I love to see their smiles. When they see me and they smile, it just makes my day. No matter where we are on the road, and the road workers, the truck drivers, the train drivers, then on the road, people standing by, and when we stop at the school, the parents and the neighbors, they come around on the roadside. So it is really something that excites every one of them, and it is rewarding in a very big way for me. And I just wanted to say a big thank you to all those who supported us to make this trip from Brisbane to Central Highlands, Queensland. We are now in the middle of our trip. We have got another 5 days to go, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the journey. Stay tuned, and we'll try to publish more photos, and please encourage us with your comments and support. Thank you.